Hello. I'm back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington at jacket section. I'm looking at these. This can serve as a dress actually with these buttons, gold buttons on it. And this can serve as yeah, you can open it and wear it as a jacket. Very good. And here is the sleeveless high neck jacket for 29.99 by CK. The quality is not bad. Here we have this. This feels so good. I'm loving the fabric combination on this. Look what we got here. Yeah, don't play. The quality is so good. And the price for this one is 29.99. And here we have this one. Okay. So price 14.99. Okay. And here we have this one by US Pellier in size medium. Interesting hoodie. The color is so nice in size medium. And this is 24.99. Here we go. Interesting two-piece set. Is this two-piece set? Yeah, actually it is. Oh my god, this looks so unique. I love the color. It's so nice in size medium. And this is priced together for 39.99. Let me take a look. Good look on this. This looks like me. Okay. It looks good. And here we have this sweater. Look. And this one is 12.99. Here we have this by True Religion denim jacket. Nicely. Yeah, it feels good for 39.99. And here we have another one. Yeah, look at what we got here. This color is really in this season for 19.99. Interesting. Okay. Behind me, we have this super long one. Look, it's even touching the floor. I love this for 39.99 by this brand. The quality speaks loud. This is something I will buy because I love it when it hit the floor. Yeah, in size medium. Come on. This is what I will wear. Okay, and here we have this very simple button down sweater, very light. You can wear very good dress. Throw this on, you're good to go for just $9.99 in extra large. You can never go wrong. The quality is way higher than the price, okay? And here we have this one with high neck. And the quality on this one is very good. It's extra large for $14.99. Here we have this beaded one. Quality is given as well by Luna. And this one is $14.99. There you go. All right, I will take you to some of the gifts I have seen in the store. Of course, this is the season. All right, this is the time to come to store and get yourself very good gift. If you want to gift others, this is the time to buy good gifts. This one is $24.99 by Guess. And here we have these beaded ones. Okay, this is beaded. All right, I like it with gold zip closure for $19.99. The color is so beautiful. Okay, look what we got here. This cape jacket, the color caught my attention for $17.99. And here is another sweater. The color is good as well for $14.99. And here you go. Look what we got here with this, beaded bow at the front for $16.99 in extra large. Very simple turtleneck. Right, here we go. Wow, this feels so heavy. This is giving everything it should give. Look at the sleeves. And this was $88. Today you get $39.99. Good, good, good. And here we have this one. This feels so good. Okay, feels good outside. The inside don't really feel that good, okay, but the outside feels so good. For $12.99, here we have this DKNY sweater in color black. You can never go wrong. And this was $79. Today you get for $24.99. Okay, look for $14.99. Interesting. Look at this tweed sweater. This is tweed jacket in size small for $29. If I see this in my size, I will jump in. Trust me. The quality on this one is excellent. Here we have this one by Guess for $24.99. Okay, another one. Look at that. It's so cool. Yeah. All right. For $11.99. Another cool one. Look. Take a look at this. This was $60 in extra large, and you get this for $24.99. This is me. I can get this. I can rock this with, super wide leg jeans, and I'm good to go. It's nicely crafted. Let's go to here. We have interesting gifts, different types of gifts. Here we have this bag by GC Culture. This was a perfect makeup bag. The price on this one, where is it? Store price on this one is $14.99. Okay, here is a bigger one. And this one is $12.99. And this is $7.99. Okay, they have different types of. Okay, here you have. This is good skincare products. This was $101. And yeah. Today you get this for just $39.99. Interesting. Here we have this. What is this? Honey and cream. For $6.99. We have this hair volumizer. Okay, yeah, by Baby. This will serve as a good gift to someone. Okay. And this one, what's the price? The price is $26.99. Yeah, different types of. They have, brush dryer. They have different types. Okay, let's go behind and see. And also more gifts here. Different types of gift sets. Okay. Here, let's see the price for this. The price for this is $12.99. Can imagine. This is so good. Okay. Look, more gifts. Cosmetic sets. Portable cosmetic sets. Okay, look. This is $26.99. You can never go wrong. Alright. Look. Okay, I like this. Yeah, I can just use this as a clutch bag. It's good. Okay, these are makeup bags. Interesting. Yeah, look at this. Glam Artist by Baby. Good eyeshadow. 141 expandable cosmetic set. Let's see. Oh, I see. Look at that. You get almost everything you need here. Eyes, lips, cheek, face. Everything. All in one makeup application. It's cool. Behind is another one. Full service. Interesting. For $24.99. Good, good, good. Beauty box. Interesting. All right, I'll end it here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye for now.